Good morning student. In previous video we have completed exercise 5.2. Okay. In today's video I am going to explain some question from exercise 5.3 which is based on histogram. Okay. Now what is histogram? It is the joint bar graph. This is called a histogram. Here I am going to explain how to read the histogram and how to construct the histogram. Understood? Now, here I take question number 1 from exercise 5.3. First question is given. The histogram given in the figure shows weight in kg of the student studying in class 8. Okay, weight of student it is given. Then study the graph and answer the following question. See on page number 88. Here histogram it is given. This is the joint bar graph. This is called a histogram. On x-axis weight in kg it is represent. On y-axis number of students are given there. Okay. Here we read the graph and answer the given question. A example is given. How many students have weight more than or equal to 65? Okay. Now see on x-axis weight is given in kg. 65 is there. After 65 how many columns are or how many bars are given there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. For 65 to 70 height of the bar is what? Now see it is between 6 and 8. Middle of 6 and 8. It means the height of this bar is equal to what? 7. Which represent the 7 student. Okay. Therefore 7. Then after that next bar is and its height is up to what? 6 only. Okay. Therefore here we do the addition of 6 plus third bar is what? Its height is what? 2. Therefore 7 plus 6 plus 2. Total how many students are there? 15 students having the weight more than or equal to 65. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Then see the next question. How many students have weight less than 60 kg? Less than 60 kg. Now see where is the 60 on the x-axis. Okay. Now before 60. Okay. Now how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And their height. According to their height, here we get the number of students. For 40 to 45 kg weight, 12 students are there. Then after that, 8 students are there. Then 5 students are there. Okay, and next one is the 4 students are there. It means total how many students are there? 29 students having the weight less than 60 kg. Okay, student, this is the answer. Then C question. In which interval the number of students are minimum? Okay. Now see the graph. From this graph we understand the height of that bar is less for the 75 to 80 kg. Okay. Therefore for this interval number of students are minimum. Okay. Therefore what is the interval is given? That is 75 kg to 80 kg. And the height of bar it is given up to 2. It represented 2 students only. Understood? Now see the next question. Here I take question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Given below is the histogram. The salary earned by the employees of a company. Study the histogram and answer the following question. Now this histogram represents the number of employees and their salaries, and it is given in 1000 rupees. On x-axis it is represented, on y-axis it is given number of employees. Okay. Now here we study this graph and we find out the answer for the given question. A example is given. What is the class size? Okay. For given class interval, here we take the difference between the upper class limit and the lower class limit. For example, it is given 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 40, 40 to 16. What is the difference there? That is the 2. Okay, this represents the what? Class size. but it is given in 1000 rupees, therefore we write here 2000. Okay, difference between 8 and 10, 10 and 12, that is 2, and 2 represent what? That is the 2000. Okay, therefore rupees 2000 is the class size of the given class interval. Okay, then B, in which class interval the number of employees are maximum? We can easily find out that the bar of the height is greater here for the class interval 10 to 12. Okay, therefore here the number of employees are more. Therefore what is the answer here? 10 to 12 means what? Rupees 10,000 to rupees 12,000. Clear? Because here 1 unit represent the what? 1000 rupees. Okay. In which class interval the number of employees was maximum? For the interval that is rupees 10,000 to rupees 12,000. Then how many employees earn less than rupees 16,000? Now see, where is the 16? 16 represent the 16,000. Less than 16. How many bars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. According to their height, here we do the addition for 8 to 10,000. Okay. How many employees are there? 8 employees are there. Then for 10 to 12, 14 employees are there. For 12 to 14, that is 12 employees, and for 14 to 16, total, what is 9 employees are there. If you will do their addition, here we get the answer 23 employees. Okay, who earn less than rupees 16,000. Then how many employees are in all are considered? This is what we have to do. Total number of the employees here we have to find out. Therefore here we have to do the addition of all these. Okay, therefore for first column it represent what? Or first bar represent the 8 employees. Okay, then 8 for second, that is 14 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. After doing the addition of all this, here we get total number of the employees are there 55 employees. Okay, this is the answer for the D question. I hope student you understand how to read the histogram to answer the given question. Okay, this is all for today student. Note down your homework. Question number 3. Again one histogram it is given there. You have to answer the given question. Okay, this is all for today student. Thank you very much.